You are seeing metal roofs everywhere in Florida right now. But before you install a metal roof, there are some major things you need to know, from cost to durability to real risks. This video breaks it all down. Not all metal roofs are the same. In Florida, most fall into two categories: standing seam, vertical panels, clean look, hidden fasteners, more expensive but long-term solid. Corrugated metal, exposed screws, more affordable but more prone to leaks over time. It's not tin, it's usually aluminum or gabalon. Materials chosen for heat resistance and corrosion control in coastal areas. Let's boost a few myths. Metal roofs attract lightning. False. They don't attract it. They just safely disperse energy if it hits. They're too loud when it rains. Not if installed with proper insulation and decking. They'll last forever. Not without maintenance, and improper install can kill that lifespan fast. In Miami, a quality metal roof can range from $25,000 to $50,000 depending on size, pitch, and material. That's 2 to 3 times the cost of shingles. Why? Labor is more complex, materials are premium, and install requires higher skills. But over 20 to 30 years, the ROI can be better. Fewer replacements, lower maintenance, and in some cases, lower insurance premiums. Metal roofs are strong. They can hold up better in hurricanes than shingles. They don't break apart easily, and they don't catch fire. That's why insurance companies often suggest it. But here's what they don't always tell you. If your metal roof is more than 15 years old, insurance can still rob you, just like with shingles. Storms can still damage them. Flying debris can dent or bend panels. And having a metal doesn't mean your policy is safe. Those aging rules still apply. So yes, metal can be a great option, but it's not a magic fix, and you still need regular inspections to stay protected. A metal roof is only as good as the team installing it. But red flags to what's out: no underlayment, exposed screws in the wrong places, poor flashing or sealing, no ventilation. This kills energy efficiency and voids warranties. Always work with a licensed Florida contractors who have metal roofing experience, not just shingle crews trying something new. We've covered the core of metal roofing in Florida: types, myths, costs, and most common mistakes. But in part 2, we are going deeper. How insurance uses metal as a leverage, what financing really looks like, and what to do if you're being pressured to replace a roof that's still in good shape. If you're in Florida, homeowner thinking about upgrading, or already being pushed to, don't miss the next video.